Hi, welcome to my channel. No new words and expressions today, just another week review. Follow me to read them out loudly one by one. Let's get started. 前台，前台，前台 front desk 反馈，反馈，反馈 feedback 客服，客服，客服 customer service 勇敢，勇敢，勇敢 brave 鞋子，鞋子，鞋子 shoes 裤子，裤子，裤子 pants or trousers 快递，快递，快递 express delivery 下单，下单，下单 place order 包裹，包裹，包裹 package 走开，走开，走开 go away 变态，变态，变态 abnormal 问答，问答，问答 question and answer 饼干，饼干，饼干 cookie 糖果，糖果，糖果 candy 鲜花，鲜花，鲜花 flower 酒店，酒店，酒店 hotel 银行，银行，银行 bank 新闻，新闻，新闻 news 编辑，编辑，编辑 edit 记者，记者，记者 reporter 作者，作者，作者 writer. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.